In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar with guests so you can effortlessly coordinate events, meetings, or any occasion with friends, family, or colleagues. Sharing your calendar is incredibly useful, allowing everyone involved to stay on the same page regarding schedules without the back and forth often tangled in emails or messages. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to google.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, we're going to use the search function, a handy tool for quickly navigating Google's vast suite of services. In the search bar, simply type Google Calendar and hit enter. This should bring up a list of relevant results. What you're looking for is the official Google Calendar website link. Clicking this link will take you directly to the Google Calendar homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with the Google account associated with the calendar you want to share. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, if you're not already acquainted. Now, to start sharing your calendar with guests, locate and click on a blank schedule slot. Doing so opens up a new event window, which is pretty central to adding and organizing events. Here you have various options to customize your event, but our focus will be on inviting guests. In the new event window, you'll notice an option labeled Add Guests on the right-hand side. Click on it. This is where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. It's quite straightforward. Just enter the email of each guest you wish to include. If you have multiple guests, continue typing each email separated by a comma or add them one by one. It's worth noting that you need to have their email addresses ready before starting this process, as you'll enter each address manually. After all the necessary emails are added, the final step is to hit the Save button, which is usually located near the top of the window. A confirmation window might pop up asking if you'd like to send invitation emails to your guests. Decide whether you want to notify them via email. Sending an invite ensures they're informed and able to respond promptly. Choose Send or Don't Send depending on your preference. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar event is now shared with your selected guests, making it easier to manage shared schedules and commitments. It's a simple but powerful way to keep track of everyone's availability and streamline your event planning. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to check out other available options in Google Calendar that can further enhance your scheduling experience.